Hello everyone. Welcome to Fashion with Bana. Today, we are diving into the world of jewelry organization. From earrings and chains to rings, bracelets, necklaces, bangles, and hoops, let's explore why a jewelry organizer is a must-have for your collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support more content like this. First off, a jewelry organizer keeps everything in one place. No more searching for that missing earring or untangling chains. An organizer provides designated spots for each piece, making it easy to find what you need in seconds. One of the biggest benefits is protection. By storing your jewelry properly, you can avoid scratches and damage. This is especially important for delicate pieces like necklaces and chains, which can easily get tangled and broken. Another advantage is preventing tarnish. Many organizers have compartments or covers that protect your jewelry from exposure to air and moisture, which can cause tarnishing, especially on silver and gold pieces. A jewelry organizer also helps you make the most of your collection. When your jewelry is displayed neatly, you're more likely to see and use different pieces instead of sticking to the same few items. It saves space. Whether you choose a compact box or a hanging organizer, these solutions are designed to maximize storage without taking up too much room. They're perfect for small spaces or travel. A jewelry organizer adds to the aesthetic appeal of your room. A beautiful organizer can serve as a decorative piece, showcasing your jewelry collection in a stylish way. A jewelry organizer offers numerous benefits. It keeps your pieces organized, protects them from damage and tarnish, maximizes your collection, saves space, and adds a decorative touch to your room. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to Fashion with Bana. Check out the description box for links to some of the best jewelry organizers available. Thanks for watching.